Good day, happy Wednesday. I'm over at a job over in Marbella. Another beautiful pool. I'm telling you, this one here is pretty very different. Look at the pattern on the shell. Really came out great. Got a little mixed pattern here. Several shapes. Look at this tile. Water shimmering. Look at the absolute power from that pump pushing that water out of that spa right there, coming over that spillway. That's beautiful, isn't it? Nice, beautiful coping. On this one, we put waterline tile on the spa. I really like the touch. It really added some more contrast versus the stone. I mean, look at the water shimmering. Beautiful sod went in. I know they're enjoying this one. Remember, brush, brush, brush. Very important. First 30 days. Listen to your pool cleaner. They'll tell you what to do for sure. Let's see if I can get a good shot from here. Can't really see the massaging jets with all that water pluming up. Got a nice sun shelf. Got an umbrella holder. Just a beautiful job. Really like it. I just wanted to show y'all. Sorry, I'm a little bit winded. Feels like about 100 degrees out here, but I wanted to share this one with you. Another very, very happy customer, 5-star. You know, it's a simple recipe to get a 5-star review. And the secret is, don't change the recipe. Don't substitute something. Just keep it the way that grandma did it. I'm not saying don't use new materials out. I'm saying the culture, the workmanship, the craftsmanship, being loyal, having a lot of employees versus subcontractors, that is a very successful recipe. So if you learn that, you do it that way, you will have success too. And you have a happy Wednesday, because it is hot out here. I think I'm going to go sneak in the pool. Y'all be good. See ya.